Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, got a little hand towel holder that has no set screw, you see. Now most towel bars have either this one has a release button, you push up on that little tab and pull the post straight off, or they have a set screw that sets behind the plate. This one has no set screw. There are some that probably have a hidden screw here. This one definitely not like that. What you got here is a hidden spring. In order to take off this type, what you do is lift up from the bottom and then tip it forward and pull it down. What it's got is a spring here, so you can see the spring. This one I need to tighten, so easy deal of just taking that deal off and tightening. This deal has a couple mollies behind there, and hopefully will tighten up good for me as it pulls those mollies, wall anchors up against there. That tightened it up just good. So when putting it back on, just going to slip it onto the bottom and then lift up. And you'll see this will lift that spring up, you see. So let's just lift it up and put it on just like that. That's nice and tight. With a tiny crooked, so I'll straighten that out a little. There we go. There we go. So let's anchor that a little more straight. There we go. Nice and easy.